design a responsive product searching page using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. We will focus on building the search bar section, how it's structured, styled, and how the button connects to a JavaScript function. This video is only about the design part, so we will save the backend functionality for the next one. Okay, in the home.php page, I have started off with my head section. I have included the meta tags to make our page responsive and to set the correct character encoding. Then I have linked the Bootstrap CSS, Bootstrap icons and my own custom CSS file style.css. Bootstrap gives us the grid layout, spacing utilities and built-in styles that make the page automatically adapt to different screen sizes. I have also added a small icon with link rel icon and ref resource logo.svg. So the site looks branded on the browser tab. Now let's design the main part, our search bar. I'm wrapping everything inside a Bootstrap container fluid so it takes the full width of the screen. And inside this I have placed the header section and then started a new row for the search bar itself. The search bar is centered using Bootstrap's grid system. The layout looks like this. On large screens, the logo appears on the left, the screen input and the drop down appear in the middle. The search button and the advanced link are aligned on the right. The structure is made using these classes: div class, column 12, justify content center, and a div class row margin bottom 3. So then I created an input group using Bootstrap's built-in input group class to combine the text box and the drop down neatly. So inside the input group I have added the class form control, which gives it a clean full width Bootstrap style. And next I have added a drop down for categories right next to it. Here I have limited the width of the drop down so it doesn't stretch too wide on larger screens, and kept the placeholder all categories. On smaller screens, Bootstrap automatically stacks the input and the drop down vertically, making it fully responsive without extra CSS. After that, we will add our search button. Inside a div class, I have given column 12, column large 2, dgrid, and the button also has a class btn primary, margin top 3, margin bottom 3, and a on-click basic search function. So let me break down this for you. The btn primary gives us the classic blue Bootstrap button. The dgrid makes sure it stretches nicely in its column, and the margin top 3, margin bottom 3 adds space above and the below. And the most important part is the on-click basic search function. This means when the button is clicked, it will call a JavaScript function named basic search. We will write and explain that function in the next video when we connect the front end with our backend search logic. Lastly, I have added a simple advanced link below the button over here. It's styled with Bootstrap classes text decoration none, which removes the underline, link secondary, which gives it a soft gray color, and FW bold makes it stand out a bit. This gives users the option to go to a more detailed search page later. The best part is we didn't write any complicated CSS for responsiveness. Bootstrap's grid system automatically adjusts the layout for different screen sizes. On mobile screens, the input drop down and buttons stack vertically. On desktop screens, they sit side by side neatly. Finally, we have linked our JavaScript file at the bottom of the page, and that's where our basic search function will go, but again we will cover that in the next video. So as you can see, this is the design for the search bar. This is where I can type for any products, and this is where I can choose by any category that I have, and this is the search button, and this is where the search for advanced link is. So that's it for today. We have successfully built a responsive search bar using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. In the next video, we will bring this search bar to life by coding the JavaScript function and connecting it with our backend to show real product results. So see you in the next video, and thank you.